It's Thanksgiving Day. I've got a turkey in the oven and a few things on the stove. So if you want to join me for a Jordan Thanksgiving, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, so welcome to a Jordan Thanksgiving. Let's take a look at what I've got going on. Okay, so company's coming in about 3 hours and I'm still at 6s and 7s. There are turkeys in the oven. I've got some green beans on the stove and a few other things that I need to get cooking. So I'm going to get started and I'll bring you along and let you see just some of the process. So the first thing I'll do is clear this counter because we're going to need all this space for food set up. I'm still at 6s and 7s, but let me show you what I've got going on right now. So I've got this dish out to put gravy in to sit on the table. There's my mac and cheese, and I did a video to show how I make that. I'll link it below. There's my maple glazed butternut squash, and I'll link that video below. That dish is going to hold corn. That was my grandmother Dixie's dish, and we always put corn in that every Thanksgiving and Christmas, so that's going to hold corn. Turkey's going to go there. It's still in the oven. Here I made some cornbread. This is the big dish of going to be gravy that's going to just sit up here on the counter. Cranberry sauce always goes in this dish, so that's what will be going in there. We'll have ham slices in here. The green beans will be going in here, and the greens will be going in here, and over here is the stuffing. So that's all set to go. Now let's look at what's still on the stove. So here are the green beans, and I've cooked those with turkey wings. This is just buttered corn, nothing special. And this is the greens, and they also were cooked with turkey thighs, or rather turkey legs, and I'll link that video below. So that's where I'm at right now. So now I need to get the table ready. So I've got this table set for company, and as you can see, it is quite simple. When we're really going to eat from the table, less is more. So we really don't have a lot on it. Just the knife, fork, spoons that we're going to actually use for today's meal. The doorbell's ringing. Let's see who that is. Hey, come on in. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you.
You too, sweet.
Okay, go right on in and get to work. So I've got additional plates set up right here, and we're starting to get the food out on the counter. My cousins are here to help me get some finishing touches put on things. We're having to warm up a few items. My husband's slicing the ham, and he'll be slicing the turkey in a minute. You may not get to see that. We'll just have to see it, because things are getting kind of crazy now. So I don't know about you, but whenever I'm having company over, especially when it's down to the final moment, there's always like a big hustle and bustle. So, and here is my turkey. It's quite brown. When you put the honey on it, the honey does brown it, and also when you put the lid on top of it, that also browns it quite a bit. But my husband's about to get it out and slice it, so that's why I'm having to show you the turkey in the roaster still, because he's like, look, I am carving this turkey now. Hey, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Hello, everybody. So glad to see you. Hi, welcome. Say hi, Joshy. It's good to see everybody. Carla, you want to show them where they can put their coats, please? In the living room.
Okay, Josh, give me your coat, baby.
I didn't even think to send my lead, Denise.
That's all right. All right, so we've got all the food up on the counter, and as you can see, we serve it family style. It's just like you put it where you can get it. So we've got the cranberry sauce out. There's the ham slices. Max has brought those wonderful sweet potatoes, and so I will link that video below so you can check those out. There's my wonderful dressing. I'll link that video below so you can check it out. There's the mac and cheese. I'll link that video below. And then there is the turkey. Doesn't it look great? And then, oh, I almost forgot the piece de resistance. Here are my greens right there. And corn in my grandmother's dish. Gravy and green beans and my butternut squash, and I'll link that video below. So we are ready to go. Folks are like, look, would you hurry up, because we are ready to eat. We are hungry. All right, well, thank you. And here's the table that we have in here. We're going to just have bought sweet tea today. I just didn't have time to make any. Everybody standing around chatting in there, and of course there's football on the TV, and we are ready, so let's get it started. And then we just have a few desserts in here so far. Of course we have the wine, but we have 2 sweet potato pies that my cousin made, and she's got them sliced, and we're just ready to get the saran wrap off once people start eating. And then she also made a lemon pound cake. This recipe has been in the family forever, passed down from my grandmother to her and all of us, but she is the only one that makes it, and when she does, it tastes just like the one my grandmother made. So when we say there's a chi-chi cake, people come flying over. So here we got a chi-chi cake today. And then there's our table set for the folks that want to eat in here, but people never do. They always want to eat in the kitchen. And there's more people coming. Here are people at the door. Oh, it's Nene and Savannah. Hello. Come right in. So, hello.
Hey, love.
Glad you could make it.
Yeah.
Hello, little sweetie pies. So, I think we have 5 chairs, 2, 4, 5. Will, is my husband in here? I can't see. Okay, I'm like, I don't have my glasses on. I can't tell. We're gonna need another little chair, I think, though, for over there. Hey, we just got 2 more little ones in. We might need a little chair over there. So, this is the table we've got set up for the little ones, and my husband drew some turkeys and pumpkins and different things on it, and they can just color all over it. And then there's a few name tags that we made from years past, and we're just ready to get started. I just love it when everybody's here. We have the family all together. As always, whenever there's a holiday, there's always someone missing, and of course there are people missing today. We have some who have gone on and some who just couldn't make it, that are in another state and just couldn't get here. But we are going to enjoy our day. We're going to enjoy the people that are here, and we're going to have a happy Thanksgiving. So before I shut this down, let's just say happy Thanksgiving from the Jordans.
Happy Thanksgiving from the Jordans.
All right, see ya. It's been a long day. Company is gone, kitchen is put back to rights. I can sit down and have a cup of tea to relax and just think back about the day. It's always nice when company comes, but it's also nice when company goes. So now here's my question for you. What's your Thanksgiving day like? What stresses you most in trying to get ready for the day? For me, it's always getting that turkey in the oven. Once I get the turkey in the oven, I feel like I can relax. Everything else is just gravy. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining us for this Jordan Thanksgiving. It's always nice when I can share with other people what we do as family. I'm not saying we're anything super special, but it's just who we are. And I like to share that. So now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I'm going to grab a cup of tea, and I'll see you in the next video. Chamomile. That's my go-to when I need to relax.